Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. There was a snowstorm and I went to play outside in the snow. My dad shovels. He does not like storms, but I do because I could play in the snow. And the snow is very, very deep. The snow is like mountains and all the neighbors are cleaning. But I'm having fun in the snow. I really want to play in the snow without like the snow pants and jacket and stuff, but my mom said that I can't. And I told my mom to take pictures of me, and she did a few. And I wanted to shovel the snow with my dad, but it was too heavy. When I'm a teenager, I'm gonna help my dad. And I did snowball fights with my dad. And I made a snow angel. And I keep laying down in the snow. I was having fun. My dad was shoveling and my mom was filming. So I was having fun, and make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me, and I'll bring more good videos like this. Thank you for watching. So bye guys, see you in the next video.